This 5-minute solution will show you how to host and unhost someone or channel on Twitch. First of all, open the channel or user you want to make host. Then all you have to do is just copy the channel or username. Then click on your profile, click on channel, and now click on chat. Once the chat window opened, here write this command. To make host, write this command /host space, paste the channel username and hit enter. And to unhost someone, write this command /unhost space and enter the channel or username whom you want to unhost and hit enter. So that's how we can host and unhost someone on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.